What's up, people? So last night it rained like crazy, and this little stream right here flooded like crazy. It's like unbelievable. Yeah, like last night it was so high, and I'll show you the footage when it was super high. We got here, pool's flooding. The vent area for the waterfall is all flooded, so we gotta take all the water out. Whew. So we got as much water as we can out of there. We're gonna see the river, how much it's flooding right now. All right here was just eaten away. This right here used to be like concrete and just more dirt, but it just all got taken away. That was not like that before. It was all like concrete from like there, right here, and then just kind of go all the way up here. That was all concrete. You can see that these are all like the sewer parts, and they just kind of flow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!